how to activate your Walmart Family Mobile SIM card. So Google search for activate Walmart Family Mobile and click on this first link that pops up right here. It's going to take us to the My Family Mobile web page, and here you can do either your phone or you can bring your own phone or a family mobile phone. So let's choose bring your own phone. Click on continue, then just accept here, and you will type I have a SIM card, or you will choose I have a SIM card here. So you will need to enter your SIM card number and do not include the letter F. You can find it here, your SIM card number on the back of it. So type the SIM card number right here, like so, and then click on continue. Afterwards, it is going to tell us or ask us whether we want to get a plan or if we already have one. So you will just go through the prompts, and this is going to automatically activate your Walmart SIM card. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.